Acoustic guitarists looking to learn or upgrade to fingerstyle? Now this style does not come overnight, but you can get there with a step-by-step approach. The best way to start is to use your current techniques and theory, weave them into your own guitar piece, and then upgrade them with fingerstyle skills down the line. If you take this approach, you could be hitting that level in no time. Hey, my name is John Hart and I'm a guitar tutor, award-winning fingerstyle guitarist, and my arrangements and compositions have garnished millions of streams. In this video, I'm going to show you my secret layering system I've used to build my pieces, win awards, and above all, make my students successful. This layering system could be used in a band or looping context, but to play all these layers on one guitar really is next level. Now most courses and resources out there just teach you how to play the guitar, and to learn songs with just chords or riffs is pretty bland. Learning exam pieces is great and can help you up the ladder, but if you don't learn what you love, then your playing could become robotic and then you could be dropping off due to a lack of motivation. Now I don't disregard any of these approaches, but they don't really breed longevity in your guitar playing. Guitar arranging, however, is not really pushed in the guitar learning market as it's seen as a bit of a side lesson. But as a guitar arranger and a guitar arranging tutor myself, my students and I see this as a fundamental process to weaving your learning and love for the acoustic guitar. It's the best way to play what you want and to upgrade your playing and knowledge at the same time, which will give you longevity because you'll be building pieces that you love. Okay, so what is this layering system? Well, if we put it into a cake baking analogy, we are simply building and stitching the recipe, the icing, the base, the filling, the decoration and the presentation. And once you have all these layers, you then have a basic guitar arrangement. The recipe is your song, which is based on your core musical memories. The icing is your melodies. The base of the cake is the chords and root notes. The filling is your arpeggios and harmonies. The decoration is your dynamics and space. And finally, the presentation is your transitions and cooking time. Your guitar piece needs to be the richest cake arrangement that you can build. You might have tried this already with chords and melodies, which is okay, but it's a pretty bland cake, or what we call an ice bun here in the UK. It's okay, but it's nothing special. Adding all those extra layers will take things to the next level, and then you can then weave in next level techniques such as fingerstyle and theory. The best way to approach this is to build a beginner arrangement with beginner techniques and theory. Yes, you might already know how to play a C major chord or a C major scale, but the key is weaving it all together, and you want to start easy and then upgrade from there. This will give you the best map to be able to move forward and progress to fingerstyle. Yes, learn from the acoustic guitar legends, but don't convert to their way of playing. Stay in your lane. By arranging your own pieces, you'll be building up what I call your spices. This is your sound, your purpose, identity, consistency, excitement, and success. You will no longer be looking over the fence at other guitar peers, working out what you should be learning and where you should be heading. Building guitar pieces of songs that you grew up with will help you to pick up the guitar more often. It will solidify your routine, it will capture your imagination, and it will explode your motivation. Once you've completed one beginner piece, you then have the option to upgrade it to intermediate or fingerstyle, or you could build more beginner pieces and build up some repertoire. The beauty of this process is once you've mastered the guitar arranging layering system, you can then transition over to guitar composition, which is based on your core memories. You'll then have a wealth of timeless pieces you can launch to the world by recording, releasing and performing them, taking you from a hobby guitarist to an active guitarist. Now I've broken down the guitar arranging layering system and shown you the benefits of implementing this into your guitar learning and playing, I'd like to invite you to check out my program Acoustic Guitar Circle 90, or AGC 90 for short. Here I will show you how to train your vital skills, how to build your first guitar piece, and how to launch it all in just 90 days. When you click the link right here on the screen, you'll then be taken to a page that looks just like this. This is where you better get a deeper dive into guitar arranging and take your playing to the next level. So click on the link and I'll see you on the other side.